Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital banking to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from the Kuda app in 2025. With Kuda's updated features for faster and more secure transactions, this is a must-know for anyone managing their finances on the go. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending money to family, we'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Kuda app installed on your smartphone and your account is set up. If you're new, download it from your app store and complete the quick registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the interface has been refreshed for 2025, with a sleeker design and enhanced security options like biometric authentication. To start a transfer, tap on the Transfer icon, usually found on the home screen or in the main menu. It's that intuitive. Next, select the type of transfer, whether it's to another Kuda user for instant peer-to-peer sending or to an external bank account. Now, enter the recipient's details. If it's a Kuda user, you can search by their username or phone number for seamless verification. For external transfers, input the bank name, account number, and any required codes. Double-check everything to avoid errors, as Kuda now includes a smart verification step that flags potential mistakes. Then, key in the amount you want to send. Remember, in 2025, Kuda offers real-time exchange rates if you're dealing with international transfers, making it super convenient. Before confirming, review the transaction summary, including fees. Kuda keeps these minimal, and add a memo if needed, like rent payment or gift. Hit confirm, and you'll be prompted to authorize with your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN for added security. Once approved, you'll get an instant notification, and the money should arrive in seconds for Kuda users or within minutes for others. That's it, you've successfully transferred money. One quick tip. Always ensure you have sufficient funds to avoid any hiccups, and keep an eye on your transaction history for peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy with your finances, and we'll see you in the next video.